Guys, have you made potato ball before? This is the healthy kind of recipe you can make to yourself. Guys, it's true that they sell it out there, but try making it in different method yourself. Guys, try this. This second time I'm trying this, and trust me, I've fallen in love with this. So before we dive into this, guys, please, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification. Thank you. Okay, without being said, let's just dive into this. Okay, what are we making? Guys, this tomato potato itself. Guys, what you can help me to do is to, peel the back of your potato. Guys, cut it in a smaller chunks, wash it. After washing it, what are the next thing to do? Guys, I will tell you. But before then, guys, let me know how you go about making your potato boil or potato buns ball. Guys, I call it potato ball because it kind of rolling it like a ball. So, but you can call it whatever you want to call it. Some people call it potato buns, but all count. So, what are we saying in essence? So, kindly grab your potato, guys, especially if you buy potato in bunks. Guys, you have many things to go about preparing with your potato because some people don't know this unless you tell them. Some people basically focus on cooking their potato only, but guys, when you have other techniques in terms of cooking your food, even if it's potato, guys, when you cook it different method, I think this will help you to have appetite eating it. Some people basically focus on just cooking it or cooking it porridge, but I'm reviewing this method to you. So if you've never tried that, kindly watch this video from the beginning to the end and never you skip any parts. Okay, so that you can learn how to do this and thank me later. So first thing first, guys, wash your potato, slice and wash, cut it in a small chunks, then transfer to the pot. Guys, cooked your potato like 7 minutes, 10 minutes, depend how strong and soft your potato looked. So cook it like 7 minutes. So and keep checking it. Use spec to be checking it if it's already soft. So guys, let me know the kind of potato you usually go about using for your potato mash, because they have different kinds of potato species kind of potato. So it depends the one that goes very well with your potato buns, because some are for cheese, some are for cooking, and some are for this kind of potato ball I'm trying to make. But guys, just look deeply into the potato you are about getting. But I think for this potato ball, you don't need to worry much, because as in any potato goes with this, just try to prepare it accordingly the way you're supposed to do. So my potato is done. So what am I trying to do? Match it. So why matching my potato? What are the things I include in order to bring out the taste? So it doesn't require much ingredients, spices, just a few stuff like pepper. I use black pepper here, salt, a pinch of Maggi, just a little tiny of Maggi, and you can use butter, you can use egg. I use one pieces of egg, then and my cheese. After adding all this, match it back. Make sure it doesn't come with any seed on it. Make sure you match it. That's why you need to cook your potato to be well done, so that while matching it, you will not be battering. It will not be difficult for you. Trust me, when you match it very well, you will never see any ball, any seed or lump on it. So after adding all these spices and seasoning, just mix it, turn it very well, test if there is or salt or pepper on it, guys, if you are in love of pepper. So when it's okay, the taste is okay, guys, what you help me to do is to boil it like this, the way they call it potato ball. Boil boil it like this, I mean circle it, full as in mold it in a circular form. So after molding it, guys, wait a minute, transfer your pot. I'm not saying frying pan, don't use frying pan, because if you do, your potato gonna lay flat, which you not gonna like so very much. So use pot, deeper something like this. Depends how wanty your potato is. That's determine the kind of pot you gonna use. But any pot you're about using, make sure it's deep like this. So transfer your pot to the gas, add your oil, make sure your pot is dry before adding your oil. So allow your oil to be preheated, then start adding your potato ball. Some people call it potato buns, it depends. So start adding it and lower your gas so that it can done from inside out. So when you add your potato in the oil, guys, try to be turning it with turning spoon, guys, non-stop, so that it will not get burnt so fast. So I've tried getting the first round, so I'm putting another round because the pot seems small. The pot is kind of small, so I'm trying to put the last one. So watch us do this. And if you want to do as in cook this or fry this like 2 times, make sure after frying the first one, remove the oil from the gas, let it cool down a bit, because once you add your potato in there, e no gonna done very well because the oil is overheated. So allow it to cool down before you transfer to the gas again and start cooking or frying the second round, so that the two will come out tasting good or fry very very well. So this is the last part of our frying. So I think this is done. Some people will ask, when will we know that this is done? Guys, when you cooked or fry it with overheat, guys, e no gonna done very well. But when you cooked with preheated oil, guys, I think e gonna done from inside. And while frying it, kindly use fork to open the inside so that oil can penetrate as well inside. So when the oil penetrates and you keep turning it, once it's brownish, you will know that your potato is done. Guys, trust me, we really get this accurately. Guys, we are not trying to be boastful of that, but I think we get it because I've been buying this in the supermarket. I've break my bank a lot for this, but now that I've learned how to do it, I say, you know what, I will keep making this myself at home. Guys, trust me, this second or third time I'm trying this, and trust me, this really come out tasting good and it also look colorful. So go ahead to try making your potato like this. I've reviewed to you the kind of things you need to be using to make your potato. Don't just basically cooking it or cooking it porridge or using it only for cheese. Guys, use it for potato ball. Guys, let me know how many of you that have tried this potato ball, and let me know how it come out tasting. Did you really find it interesting? And then again, if there is any other method you go about preparing this, guys, we share ideas together here, guys. And here is interacting video where we can say our opinions. Let us also